Is it fixed? No. Can we fix it? No, it's fine. Engine has come up to temperature and has the consummate amount of mice, feces, and urine.
Yeah, we're gonna hook up the wires right here and right there, and we're gonna see what happens. That's all I got.
This is a truncated version of a Mitsubishi engine rebuild. You see the hole there wallered out a little bit, or you can't maybe. Got a bit of a ridge, and also somebody forgot to take the Earl out of her.
Basically the driving force of the universe.
I got the Duclaw here, folks.
I got a hole that needs filling.
Tappy tap tap. 4mm dowel pin. Was wallered out. The Duclaw's here. I'm busier myself than a one-arm paper hanger. Maybe a dog with two dinks and just as licky.
How do you jerk off?
It's a rhetorical question, folks. This and the one's proper fuculated. Looks a lot better. We won't know until we know. Torque spec on these was interesting. 100 foot-pounds, something like that, and then turn it 90 degrees. So the Duclaw had measured the torque breaking loose and figured that'd be close enough, plus minus 20. It wasn't close enough. So he torqued them to 45 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees past that. And would you say that was, like I said, pardon? Like you're hanging off it like a jungle gym? I don't judge. Any love is good love, buddy. Tight as a nun's habit. Look at that seal. Brand spanking. And not fuculated on the way out. How'd you manage to not bend that? Well, miraculous.
I ran a knife around and then just kind of...
That was a rhetorical question.
Oh, kind of.
Scrapey, scrapey.
Yeah,
so
it's fucking built up on that one, man.
How you gonna get the dirty bits out after?
Dirty bits of what? It's called gravity. Say I start up here. Clean, 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 clean.
When next we meet, this will be purring like a cotton. Ooh, the witch of November come stealing. You hear that wind? This will be the winter of our discount tent.
Discount tent? They sound like dwell parts?
Speaking of castigations, this casting, look at this. It didn't clean up on the back side. So this all got turned. And this is still rough.
You want me to clean that up?
Zapan, she is back on. How many Ugga-Duggas does it take to make a pan leak forever? We're about to find out.
Only one.
The Duclaw, unfortunately, is succumbing to the siren's sweet call of salty semen all up in his ear hole.
You gotta go where you want it, you know?
Hasta luego, mi amigo. So, same time next year?
Yeah. Next time you want. You're hurting for a fucking...
If I'm hurting for a fucking, I think she's goo. We're obviously not gonna bench test it because all that's left now is to wait for the shittiest day of the year in order to start putting this back in, outside.
All right.
We're ready to rock, just like that.
December 23rd it is then.
Thank God. There is a leftover bolt.